Okay, we back now. Finally made it to the ATL after that long day from Long Island to ATL via Virginia Beach. Oh, it was a journey, a long journey. Linked up with my wife in Atlanta, stayed an extra day over there. I would call it day 6 and 7. And then from there, I hooked up with Meshack and his female companion, Miss Sherry, I believe her name is, and we ran from there to Fort Lauderdale. Oh, okay. Oh. Inspiration. What that shirt say, baby? What the motto say? Mileage. The back can say what?
On the ground, miles, markets, and state lines. Miles established 2012. Underground clothing, Los Angeles.
You know what it is. Time to go. Let's see what it's. Out here, and it's hot. Is that the oil after 5,000 miles is black and then black. With limited tools, we've made the most out of the situation. Got to get that oil up out of there. I don't know what the timeline is on synthetic oil, but hey, I got damn near 6,000 on it. I think it needs to come up out of there. It's a Sunday, and I didn't know service departments are open to even service it. So, but they did sell me the oil. I could have bought all three, but I ain't got all the tools to get everything off. So we just gonna go with the oil for the moment. Hopefully the other stuff hangs in there so we get back home. But yeah, something's better than nothing, as they always say. Gotta get to it. Hey y'all, it's Rob, Money's Cross Stereo. We out and about. Man, where we at today?
Been to Harley-Davidson, Marietta,
GA, baby.
Yeah.
Man, he trying to sell me a bike, talking about leave yours, Rob, take this diner. I'm like, man, I can't hear myself or see myself on one of them.
Yeah.
But, man, tell us, man, you heard the music, man. What you thinking?
Hey,
This is some secret sauce we working on.
You did it on this one, Rob.
Okay, you know.
Shit sounds good.
Man, we trying to,
Crisp, clean, clear, loud, all that.
So we come to Hard Days, we riding the South, just letting y'all hear what I hear, and we know we're gonna turn some corners. So I just want to say, hey, marathon continues. Money's Car Stereo. We're keeping it moving.
big a deal. These are 70,000 actual people. I mean,
Victoria!
I don't know. I mean, I guess this is all obvious, but
Oh.
obviously.
We are here at Pompano Beach. Real quiet out here. We got pizza? What's this, high school rules? Pepperoni for me and combination for everybody else? Take one, pass one? No?
No, they just boxed it up like that.
Oh, okay. I was just curious.
It was so much.
Oh, okay. All right. Did you look in there, check? 5 minutes?